Are you looking for a fun, budget-friendly, and eco-conscious way to refresh your home decor? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of furniture upcycling. Forget those tired, outdated pieces gathering dust. We're going to transform them into stunning statement pieces that will truly elevate your home. Get ready for a dose of inspiration and practical tips, because we've got a fantastic lineup of creative upcycling projects to share with you. Let's get started. Let's begin our journey with one of the most common yet overlooked items, the humble chair. Old chairs possess incredible potential. A simple refresh can make a world of difference. For instance, imagine those mismatched or dated dining chairs you might have. A fresh coat of paint in a color that complements your space, paired with new upholstery, can instantly give them a modern and cohesive makeover. Don't be afraid to play with colors and patterns. For a vintage touch, you could even try distressing the paint after it's dry. And if the thought of reupholstering seems daunting, remember there are tons of beginner-friendly tutorials online. Or you can simply add stylish new seat cushions for a quick fix. But the creativity doesn't stop there. For a truly clever transformation, consider turning a pair of old chairs into a unique bench. This is a perfect project for an entryway, hallway, or even your garden. By securely connecting the frames, adding a sturdy new seat from planks or reclaimed wood, and finishing with a unifying coat of paint or stain, you not only save space, but also create a real conversation starter. From chairs, we naturally move on to tables, another versatile piece just waiting for a creative touch. If you have a plain coffee table that's crying out for some personality, a mosaic tile top could be the perfect solution. You can use anything from broken china and colorful glass tiles to smooth pebbles to create your design. This is a fantastic way to add texture, color, and a unique artistic element to the center of your living room. And speaking of clever repurposing, don't be so quick to discard old dresser drawers. With a bit of ingenuity, a single drawer can be reborn as a charming side table. All it takes is a good cleaning, a fresh coat of paint, and a set of legs, which can be new or salvaged. It's a perfect space-saving solution for a bedroom or a small living area. And you can even use the inside of the drawer for a little extra storage. Of course, every home needs functional storage, and upcycling old pieces is a fantastic way to marry style with practicality. Take a dated dresser, for example. It's amazing how a fresh coat of paint in a bold, new color and some new, modern hardware can completely transform it from drab to dynamic. By simply swapping out the old knobs or handles, you can instantly update its entire look. You can also add further decorative details like stencils or decoupage to truly make it your own. For a more rustic or industrial vibe, you can even create your own storage from scratch. Consider building a unique bookshelf from repurposed wooden crates. They can be cleaned, stacked, and secured in countless configurations to fit your specific space and needs. You can leave them in their natural state, give them a rich stain, or paint them for a more personalized touch that's both functional and stylish. Upcycling isn't just about the large furniture pieces either. The real magic often lies in the details, and you can create unique decor accents that infuse your home with character. For example, you can give a plain mirror a beautiful coastal or natural feel by simply gluing on collected driftwood or seashells around its frame. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to add texture and a personal touch to your walls. You can also update a boring lampshade by wrapping it with colorful fabric scraps or natural rope for a textured, custom look. This is a great way to use up leftover materials and create a unique lighting feature. And here's a truly fun idea. Turn an old ornate picture frame into a stylish serving tray. Just clean the frame, fit a sturdy backing inside with some decorative paper or fabric, and attach a pair of handles to the sides. It becomes an elegant and one-of-a-kind piece for entertaining guests. Now, before you rush off to your first project, I want to share some essential tips to ensure your upcycling adventures are a resounding success. First and foremost, always start with a clear vision. Look for inspiration online. Think about your existing decor and have a plan before you begin. This foundation is crucial, and it begins with proper preparation. Always clean your furniture thoroughly, and don't skip the sanding if it's necessary for good paint adhesion. As you're working, remember to invest in quality supplies. Good paint, brushes, and adhesives will make a significant difference in the longevity and professional look of your final piece. But beyond the materials, The most important tool is your creativity. So don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques, colors, and textures. And while you're being creative, always put safety first. Wear gloves, eye protection, and a mask, especially when you're sanding or working with chemicals. Finally, remember to source your pieces smartly from thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces. And most importantly, learn to embrace imperfection. Upcycled pieces have a unique, handcrafted charm that sets them apart from mass-produced items. That character is what makes them special. With those tips in mind, let's look at how these principles come to life. Here is the most exciting part, seeing these upcycled creations in their new homes. Take a look at how these transformed pieces can truly elevate your interior design. From adding a pop of color with a revamped dresser to creating a unique focal point with a custom bench, upcycled furniture brings personality and soul to any space. Notice how these pieces blend seamlessly with different styles, from modern to rustic, proving that with a little creativity, you can achieve a high-end, personalized look without breaking the bank. So, what do you think? Are you feeling inspired to tackle your own furniture upcycling projects? I hope this video has shown you the incredible potential that lies within those overlooked pieces. Remember, upcycling is not only a fantastic way to save money and personalize your home, but it's also a sustainable choice that helps reduce waste. We'd love to see your upcycling creations. Share your project with us in the comments below or tag us on social media. We're always excited to see what you come up with. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY and home decor inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Happy upcycling, everyone. See you next time.